So hello guys, so today we are gonna unbox the Likestar SUP game box. It's quality product and special thing about it, it is 401. So this thing has 400 games. So let's unbox it. So guys, let's open the box. So guys, I have took out the SUP, so let's see what's inside. So we have our SUP, so these are the direction keys, forward and backward. We have our normal YXPA, and we also have a select and start button, and this is the restart button. It's pretty clicky. So let's see what's under here. So we have a user's manual, Retro FC. So let's take it out. This is the manual. So let's keep that aside. So this is a charger for our SUP, and we have to insert it here, right here. So this is the on-off switch, this is the charging jack, and this is for the TV. So we also have a BL5C battery, lithium system battery, 1020 mAh. This is a rechargeable battery with it. So let's keep that inside. So we have a TV and you can say an AV cable, which is connected to the TV to play the games and play the games on the TV. So we also have this. Thanks for joining Likestar family, a welcome gift for my family. So we have these two wire connectors. Okay. So let's play! So guys, let's turn on the SUP. Wow! So there's two options, Chinese and English. So let's select English. Start. So the volume is pretty good in this. And we also have this scroll for the volume, to lower the volume. So we're not gonna lower it right now. So let's play Super Mario. Super Mario Brothers 1985. Okay. I'm really good at this game actually. So let's just try beating level 1. Oh, I just shrinked, yo. I got bigger. Oh shit. Oh shoot. Oh shit. Oh, I just killed him. Ah! Okay, let's go forward. Oh, that's so, yeah. Yay! So we are pretty good at this game. No, I just said that. Okay, level 1 complete. So guys, let's play the other game. So let's play Turtles 4. Okay. Versus CPU. Okay, so I'm gonna be Shredder, and the CPU is gonna be, I'll make him Leo, because Leo sucks and Shredder is the Shredder. So we're doing it in the waterfront. Okay, round 1, fight! Oh shit, oh shit. Oh my god, he just attacked me. How do we die, guys? I'm gonna die, seriously. Shredder can't die, bro. Okay, yo, we just hit him a good one. Nice, nice, nice. We just killed Leo. One player win. Okay. Okay. That was pretty good. Round 2. I'm just gonna kill him now. Why does he not die, yo? Just die, Leo. Yo! Leo is... No. Leo is once again dead! So I hope you like the like star SUP game box 4-in-1. So bye guys! Make sure to subscribe and leave a like on this video to see more on the channel. So bye guys!